me about what happened.
I was on my phone. I didn't see him come out. He's probably 70 yards away, guessing. Cameraman caught him. Cameraman was doing his thing up there, and told me he saw a buck. I look up. He was about 55 yards away. Really nice 6-point. I don't know how wide was it, you think?
I don't know.
He's even with his ears.
At least, yeah.
What was that?
Just got shit.
No, I didn't.
Dude, I started.
Virgin. Is it on my face?
Just got shit.
Is it on me?
Yeah.
Get it off me. Where is it?
You got it.
Is that bird shit?
Dude, I might follow this tree.
Dude, is it? Where is it? Is it in my shirt?
I think it's off.
Where?
I think it's off you.
Did I just get shit on?
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, is it on? Look at that. What is that?
Dude, we're not gonna see anything now. I swear.
Did a bird fly over?
Yeah.
What the? Dude, is there shit on my face?